To pay with Venmo at Walmart, you will first need to ensure that your Venmo account is set up and linked to a payment method such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to the next steps. When shopping at Walmart, let the cashier know that you would like to pay with Venmo. They will then scan the items you are purchasing and provide you with the total amount due. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device and select the scan code option. The cashier will display a QR code on the screen for you to scan. Scan the QR code using the Venmo app, and it will automatically populate the payment amount. Review the payment details to ensure that the amount is correct, and then select the payment method you would like to use. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your Venmo account, you can choose which one to use for the transaction. Once you have confirmed the payment details, select the Pay option to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification from Venmo once the payment has been processed. As a best practice, make sure to keep your Venmo account and payment methods up to date to avoid any issues during checkout. It is also a good idea to have a backup payment method available in case your primary method is declined. Paying with Venmo at Walmart is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. The transaction is processed quickly, and you will receive a receipt from both Venmo and Walmart. If you have any issues with your transaction, you can contact Venmo customer support for assistance.